So this is the Hikmicro thermal gun. So I'm going to take you through this in a second. I got this because I've got a massive draft coming from somewhere. I think I know roughly where it is, but I want to just prove it with this. So it's very simple to set up. I'll quickly just take you through it in 2 seconds, and then I'll show you a working example of how good it is at identifying where cold air or gaps might be coming in. So this is the Hikmicro thermal gun. I can't get more words out today, but it's very simple to set up, and straight off the bat, just while I turn it off again for you, is it feels far better than the Top Don. I've tested one of them before. This just feels a bit more professional. I don't know why, but I'll come to that in a minute. I'll press and hold this power button, just 3 seconds, and it starts to turn on. And essentially with your settings, it will by default go to, there we go, I'll just show you. This is what they call rainbow mode. So the lighter colours are hotter, the darker colours are colder. And what you can do is you can scroll through whatever suits you. So you've got rainbow mode, you've got white hot, you've got above alarm, and then you've got black hot. I just prefer to stick to this one. It just feels easier for me to work. You've got your central point, which is the temperature it's reading right now. You've got your max and minimum, which is on the left hand side here. And you'll see here on the scale about the max and minimum, also on the scale. So it's very, very simple. And actually, just to prove a point, I'm going to show you my Westie, who's currently lying on the couch. This is what it looks like. A bit terrifying, but you can see here he's 34.5 degrees. So if I want to now go and look at my door, which I think there's a breeze coming in, you will see that straight away it is picking up on the letterbox. There's definitely a draft coming in there, so it's a bit cooler, so it's letting the heat out. You'll also see, which I do need to fit this new door actually, is the hinge, and probably going up a bit, yeah. And we've got a glass panel here, which is letting in quite a bit of cooler air. As expected to a point, you'll never get a perfect door, but yeah, we can definitely see here that it is going down to, I'm going to use this trigger here, and you'll see the red light here, can't get my words out, it's just pinning here. So it's saying 18 degrees and the rest of the house is about 20. So I can see here that's not too bad, it's not an icy day, but it definitely shows you the difference that this can make. I could have been walking around this house and replaced the wrong thing, and actually I can see straight away what is going wrong. I'll just show you the rest of the house here, just because I'll be doing this all day out with this video, because I am a bit of a geek with these things, and you'll see it works an absolute treat. So very simple, very easy to use, but very effective. So I'm really happy with this guy. And all you need to know as well, by the way, is it does have this handy little guide strap for your wrist if you want to put it on. But to charge it, you just go up here and plug in the USB-C that's already provided with it. So compared to the Top Don, I believe this feels like a better quality thermal camera if you're looking between the two. I just feel like it's very easy to use, very simplistic, but very, very effective. So definitely recommend